Okay, we are gonna have a look at which I think it's like Tenant, the big Chinese company design system. This is gonna be very interesting because very little of this is actually in English. So it gives you an idea of how other companies are using this and how UI looks in different languages. So yeah, I do like they have a pretty well done documentation, what you'd expect for a big company. And they also provide a few templates which are very nice, very well done. This design system is especially, I think, recommended because they have the code part, but also you have a lot of data. These are not necessarily the best examples, but everything is a bit smaller. So if you need like tables and a lot of data on your pages, this is actually what I would recommend. It's like very similar to Ant from the same culture, and it works. I've worked with this in the past. It's not the best, not the worst. Always there are going to be some bugs here and there, but they keep improving it all the time. Really good with contrast, accessibility as well. So yeah, this is pretty well done. It looks funny just to have something in a different language that you don't understand at all. But yeah, other than that, pretty good. Offers a lot of scalability. It's again very well documented, but very similar to Ant, just a different style.